cha-cha, pre-bronze level, 3 cha-cha-cha. So it goes like this. Reverse angle. Got it? Yes. Three cha-cha with the timing. So it goes like this. 2, 3, 4, and 1. 2 and 3, 4 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 1. 2 and 3, 4 and 1. Explanation of figures. Rock for the ladies, check for rock for the men. Replace 3 cha-cha, forward for the ladies, 3 cha-cha, back for the men. Cha-cha, lock, cha-cha, lock, cha-cha, lock. Rock step for the men, check for rock for the men, for the ladies. Replace 3 cha-cha back for the ladies, 3 cha-cha locks forward for the men. Now secrets here. So number one secret here is to change sides. Bring one side forward as you do. That's how your partner knows you're doing a 3 cha-cha. So you're going rock, step, strong side change, cha-cha-cha, change side, cha-cha-cha, change side, cha-cha-cha. So this is 3 cha-cha-cha, pre-bronze level.